The Young Author Launchpad mark a remarkable milestone on 5th October 2025, celebrating its first anniversary and a grand book launch event, a tribute to creativity, storytelling, and the limitless imagination of young minds. Hosted at BVI Camp, New Delhi. The event brought together passionate young writers, educators, parents, and literacy enthusiasts under one roof to honor the power of words. The celebration began with the traditional lighting of ceremonial lamp by the founder Ms. Chhavi Mehta, alongside dignitaries including Dr. Anil Kumar, Mr. Vineet Mishra, Ms. Harpreet Suri, and Mr. Navdeep Mehta. The glowing flames symbolize new beginning and the promise of future storytellers. The event officially commenced with a heartfelt welcome note from the visionary behind the initiative. Do things for people, not because who they are or what they are do in return, but because of who you are. Next, we hear from Ms. Chhavi Mehta, founder of Young Author Launchpad, who shared the journey, purpose, and the mission of empowering young storytellers.
All right. Well, हम बोलेंगे kids books launch because दिल तो बच्चा है, age कोई भी हो. So it's a compliment to all my adult authors. So well, a year ago, this was just an idea in my head, a wild, wonderful idea that children could not only just read stories, they could even write. They could hold a book with their own names on it, and that is my story. I wanted to see these young authors, young kids holding their book close to their heart with their names on it. सपना यहाँ से शुरू हुआ. And here we are today, 1 year later, celebrating 60 young authors who turned their dream into reality. I'm still getting goosebumps thinking about this long journey of 1 year, and probably everybody sitting out here, and a couple of them are not here in town, have supported me, they have faith in me, and they trusted me. So thank you so much. Thank you.
Her words captured the essence of the initiative. Not just a platform for publishing, but a movement nurture voices that inspire and rise beyond limits. The event then featured a keynote address from the institution leadership, motivating the young author to dream without boundaries. Leadership is the capacity to translate a vision into reality. Now we hear Professor Emin Huda, Director of BVI Camp, New Delhi, who share his words of encouragement and wisdom with the next generation of writers.
रील का जमाना है और रियल लाइफ से हम दूर होते जा रहे हैं. आज आप किसी को कहें एक बुक लिखो तो उसे बहुत परेशानी होती है, कहें एक डायरी लिखें तो भी बड़ी परेशानी होती है. इस बैकग्राउंड के बीच में, इस बदलते परिवेश में अगर लोग लिख रहे और लिखने वाले ऑथर्स को लोग एप्रिशिएट करने के लिए है, इससे बेहतर क्या हो सकता है. इसीलिए मैंने बताया कि घर पे होते संडे इवनिंग या अपनी पसंद की जगह जाते, वो कंप्रोमाइज करके आपने इसे पसंद बनाया है. इससे ज्यादा अच्छी और सुनहरी शाम कुछ नहीं हो सकती कि आशियाने से बढ़कर है फिक्रे चमन. आशियाना तो फिर बना लेंगे हम, एक उम्मीद की लौ सलामत रहे, 100 दिए इस दिए से जला लेंगे. तो आप ये प्रोग्राम करते रहिए. मैं इसी कमिटमेंट के साथ आपको मेरी तरफ से कमिटमेंट देना चाहता हूँ कि ऑथर लॉन्च पैड जब आप करें भारतीय विद्यापीठ, चाहे संडे हो, चाहे सैटरडे हो, चाहे वीकडे हो, भारतीय विद्यापीठ आपके साथ हमेशा जुड़ा रहेगा.
He says all of these young authors' hard work, dedication, and consistency take them in this platform. His message celebrated creativity as the foundation of innovation and inspired every aspiring writer to believe in their story. This was followed by a series of felicitation honoring distinguished guests like Dr. Amit Kumar, Ms. Harpreet Suri, Mr. Vineet Mishra for their valuable contribution and, of course, support. A moment of celebration followed with a cake cutting ceremony symbolizes one successful year of nurturing creativity and inspiring future storytellers.
Happy birthday to you.
The heart of evening belonged to the youngest voices of literature. These talented writers, some as age of 6.5-year-old, stepped forward to launch their book and share their thoughts on stage. First, we hear from Taisha Mahajan, author of Tim Marlevis Medicine, who share how consistency and self-belief can create a magic. She quoted that behind every successful sister journey, there was a big helping hand of a brother, like her little brother did.
As I just wrote my book and it's really getting published.
Awesome.
As my brother and I wrote books, when we were 7 or 8 years old, we just took the stapler, stapled the sheets and made a book. I just wanted nearly from my heart that should be published. And man, I'm so excited.
Age is just a number and your talent will never fail you. By this, Anayat Suri, author of Diary of 10 Lessons from Taylor Swift, reinforces the value of persistence and passion.
Favorite songs? I think she say never give up, you can do it. She encourages. When I see her video, when she sings, I feel like I want to dance and sing.
Do we learn something from Taylor?
Yes.
What is it?
First is never give up. I can keep on trying, trying. And second is you can do it, never give up, and be confident.
Amrit Singh, one of the youngest authors, reminds us to never give up. Remind us by his writing that no matter how big dreams is just a dream. It's your dedication who gives you wing to fly high.
Why about him?
Because he plays nice.
Do you want to become a cricketer like him?
Yes,
Do we learn something from him?
yes.
What is that?
He never gives up.
So guys, 6-year-old, 7-year-old, 8-year-old writing a self-help book. Don't you think they really need a big round of applause?
Aradhya Pahwa encourages every young mind to keep trying and dream without fear. She asked and encouraged us by saying that we must celebrate small winnings so that all give us you the reason to dream big.
So, first of all, about my book, the two main characters are Ilara and Eden. So they go on an adventure, like a very fun adventure and some mysterious ones as well. So they have to find a treasure which is more likely to be a victory for them. But what I've realized is that victory isn't actually about winning something. It's about honesty and believing in yourself.
I just love this part. You know, these values, they're just fading away and you're bringing back these values.
Dr. Parul Kohli, one of the psychologists of IIT and with pride an alumni of BVI Camp, New Delhi, who is an author of book Becoming You, speaks about faith and trust an individual must carry on themselves. She also quoted that everyone has the power to perform anything and we must opt to start saying yes. Yes to everything we come across. Each story we witness was beyond imagination, a reflection of young hearts, writing their dreams into existence and into reality.
And one day, I met Chavi in the washroom, the angel, in the washroom of a 5-star hotel. And we'd just gone there to actually visit the washroom only.
And there she was, and I was like, this is a sign. Now it has to start. And of course, once you've met Chavi, it is a start. So, yes, and the rest of the eccentric days that we had. So that's where the journey began. And it has been a truly rewarding journey, I would say. The short stories that I have written, I am trying to cover all generations, all of you. It's from a 9-year-old to an 89-year-old. So I hope everybody resonates with it. So the idea was that everybody is able to feel that I'm understood.
The stage continued to resonate with powerful voices and inspiring words from our more authors. Here comes another little author named Moksh. With his book named Marvelous Medicine, this little jam gives message that we have medicine to cure every cause, disease or incident, but we should have that potential to find it.
And I have a grandma, and she was very rude to me. So I didn't want that to happen with anyone else. So I thought that I should make a medicine to make her a better grandma.
But you got this inspiration of writing this specific book from somewhere?
Yes, Roald Dahl had first written this story, Jordan's Marvelous Medicine.
So one message I would love to share here, that these kids, they're all talking about their favorite books they've read and getting those ideas from there. So everything starts with reading. Do you agree with me?
Yes.
We get these ideas when we read books. So what do we take back today? Read more every day?
Yes, I do read a book.
One.
Naveen Arora, another author who spoke about 10 lessons from Virat Kohli about belief, perseverance and chasing excellence.
But I'm here to prove them wrong. Hello everyone, my name is Nivin. I am a 6-year-old author. I've written 2 books. The title of the first book is Flash Nivin. The title of the second book is 10 Lessons Learned from Virat Kohli. So, I'm going to share with you 3 truth bombs from my second book, 10 Lessons Learned from Virat Kohli. And did you know my second book is a self-help book? A self-help book means that if you read a self-help book, you become a better person.
Now here comes the mini Dang, who remind us that everything we seek lies within. We just need to discover it. Mansi Gupta with her book named Unstuck with beautiful subhead Your Journey Begins Here inspired the audience to let go of self-doubt and never compare them with others.
So it's very interesting actually how the name came up. Unstuck is, so I am a teen coach. I work with a lot of teenagers. And कहीं ना कहीं हर बच्चा कहीं पे stuck है. कभी दिमाग में, कभी बाहर की दुनिया में. And this is where this comes from. And when I talk to them, when I'm actually guiding them on their careers, or I'm guiding them on, just living life to the fullest, which is what we find out. कोई अपनी सेल्फ वर्थ को लेकर स्टक है, कोई किसी को सोशल एंजाइटी है, and this is exactly what I was talking to Dr. Amit Kumar also over there. I said बच्चे कितने confident हैं when they came here. 2 किताबें लिखी 5-6 साल की उम्र में, and as you become teenagers, ये सब confidence down, we get stuck.
Now here comes another talented named Ashish Saxena. With his book Kalame Dawat, he quotes n number of shairi in his book and also urged young writers to stay connected with themselves and started their writing journey fearlessly.
So yes, I am a recruitment professional, and I always have been very I keep thinking. मैं सोचता बहुत रहता हूँ और मेरे thoughts keep popping up in my mind, and when I express them.
सोचा इन्होंने और एक्शन मैंने लिया by the way guys.
Yes, of course. तो So the thoughts keep popping up, and they get expressed in a rather poetic manner. I don't. It just happens. I don't do it deliberately. And when it happens, the thoughts flow into words in a poetic rhythm. You know, they take a poetic rhythm, and that's how I used to share my thoughts with my friends, my colleagues, family. So people used to encourage me to publish my thoughts in a book, and
The event was further elevated by thoughts-provoking talks from eminent guest speakers who shared their wisdom on creativity, life, and of course success. Mr. Nirbhay Ghai emphasizes the importance of hard work. Focused, relentless dedication is needed to live a happy life.
And I tell in stories, this is a grinding world, it means hard work.
ओके सबसे पहले पता चल गया ग्राइंडिंग वर्ल्ड इज अ हार्ड वर्ल्ड और हार्ड वर्ल्ड तो रियल वर्ल्ड है सबके लिए हार्ड है चाहे वो आपकी एज का हो चाहे वो हमारी एज का हो ऑलराइट वंडरफुल सो व्हाट हैपेंस देन व्हाट्स द स्टोरी
When I accidentally teleported in the dimension, and I found a friend named the Ripcord. He helped me in grind it 0 to max level with our all dedication and hard work.
Now here comes Miss Harpreet Suri, who quoted a learning message she learned from her daughter Anayat, that we should always chase happiness instead of chasing number, and always try to write from our heart.
Yes, it starts within. So the essence of my journey has set the tone to pause, to reflect, and to remember our inner light, which is fading these days. As Professor M.N. Huda also said, that we are more into reels and we are just, getting away from the real life. So the title comes from there, it starts within. Because everything, every little moment, every moment of peace, growth, it's rooted within us.
The program also featured a special segment on personal growth and mindset transformation. Dr. Amit Kumar, who shares a powerful insight on how you believe, intention and mindset can come shape one's journey, and also highlight how a reading and writing can transform one life and build one's own character. It's both important in writing in our life.
I started my journey जहाँ से मुझे जानना शुरू किया एक चैनल है जिसका नाम है रीडर्स बुक्स क्लब एंड देन आई स्टार्टेड माय जर्नी ऑन यूट्यूब एंड सोशल मीडिया इन्फ्लुएंसर बट आई हैव बीन टॉकिंग अबाउट मैनिफेस्टेशन फॉर ओवर 16 इयर्स नाउ एंड आई थिंक बहुत बड़े बड़े लोग बैठे हैं हुडा सर बैठे हैं यहाँ पे इनके सामने मैं कुछ भी बोलूँगा तो बहुत छोटा ही लगेगा क्योंकि इन्होंने इतनी अच्छी बातें की है स्टेज पर आके और जितने भी कोच हैं उन्होंने बहुत अच्छी बात की आई थिंक किताबें बिकमिंग यू वाज ब्रिलियंट आई थिंक मानसी ने बहुत बेहतरीन टाइटल लिखा बहुत और सर ने क्या शायरी की सर यू आर अमेजिंग 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 मैं तो सोचा था कि कुछ देर शायद सबसे ज़्यादा उन्हीं को रुकना चाहिए था थोड़ी देर तक और लेकिन मुझे एक चीज़ समझ में आई ओवर दिस जब से मैं यहाँ पर बैठा था कि मेरी पूरी ज़िंदगी बदली जब मैंने स्टार्टेड रीडिंग बुक व्हेन आई वाज स्टूडेंट तो मेरे को छोटे बच्चे कृपया मुझे ना सुने जब मैं छोटा था तो मैं बिल्कुल नहीं पढ़ता था आई वाज वेरी बैड एट स्टडीज आई वाज फेलिंग इन बहुत छोटी छोटी क्लासेस में जहाँ पर कभी आप फेल होते हैं तो फिर मतलब ऐसा वहाँ तो फेल होना ही नहीं चाहिए आपको बट आई स्टार्टेड रियलाइजिंग आफ्टर अकॉर्डिंग टू माय पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन उसके बाद आई थिंक मेरी किताबों की जर्नी शुरू हुई और मुझे समझ में आया कि व्हेनेवर आई हैव बिकम टुडे इट इज जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ बुक्स क्योंकि वन ऑफ माय कोच वो हमेशा बोलते थे कि किताबें पढ़नी चाहिए किताबें आपको और मैं हमेशा होता था कि यार किताबें पढ़ना कितना बोरिंग काम है कौन पढ़ता है किताबें है ना लेकिन मुझे मेरे हाथ में एक किताब लगी जिसका नाम था द मैजिक ऑफ थिंकिंग बिग तो अभी छोटे छोटे बच्चे सेल्फ हेल्प बुक लिख रहे हैं और हम तो इतने बड़े हो चुके थे कि तो हम ना पढ़ रहे थे ना लिख रहे थे जब मैंने इस किताब को पहली बार पढ़ा आई थिंक आई टुक ऑलमोस्ट 6 months टू कंप्लीट दैट वन बुक और जब मैंने इस किताब को पढ़ा तो मुझे पहली बार ये रियलाइज हुआ कि आई थिंक बड़ी सोच कितनी इंपॉर्टेंट है कि बड़ा सोचना कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है
The Young Author Launchpad first anniversary and book launch was not just an event. It was a movement to cherish. a movement to celebrate creativity, encourage expression, and remind us that stories, whether written by a 6-year-old kid or a seasoned author, have the power to change the world. Thank you to all the young authors, mentors, speakers, and of course supporters who made this celebration a grand success. As these writers continue their journey, they remind us that the future of literature is bright and shining. And this is just a beginning, not the end.